In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Nordvpn account and effectively use it to safeguard your online presence. Let's dive right in. To get started with Nordvpn, you first need to go to their official website, nordvpn.com. This is where you will find all the information you need about their services, pricing, and plans. Once you're on the home page, look for a button that says Get NordVPN. Clicking on it will present you with the various subscription options available. You can choose a 1-month plan if you're looking for a short-term solution, a 1-year plan for more extended protection, or their 2-year plan, which often offers the best value. After selecting the plan that suits your needs, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure to use an email you regularly check, as this is how NordVPN will communicate with you. Once you've entered your email address, the next step is to complete your payment. NordVPN offers various payment methods, making this step both simple and secure. Upon successful payment, NordVPN will send you a registration link to your email. Open this email, click on the link, and follow the instructions provided to create your Nordvpn account. This link is crucial as it helps you set up your login credentials, which you'll need to access your VPN service moving forward. Now that your account is set up, let's go over how to use NordVPN. First, log into your NordVPN dashboard with the email and password you just created. Once inside, you'll see a panel on the left side of your screen. Here, click on Downloads to find the NordVPN application available for various devices, including Windows, macOS, Android, and iOS. Download the appropriate version for your device. After the app is downloaded and installed, open it and log in using your email and password. The app is user-friendly and will guide you through its features. Once you're logged in, one of the easiest ways to get started is to tap the Quick Connect button. This feature automatically chooses the best server location for your current situation, ensuring optimal performance and speed. If you prefer to have a say in where your virtual location appears to be, NordVPN allows you to manually select from their list of countries and servers worldwide. Once you're connected to a server, your IP address will be hidden and your internet connection will be encrypted, enhancing your privacy and security. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully set up your NordVPN account and are now ready to enjoy a more secure and private browsing experience. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay safe online.